Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy XRP on Exodus wallet. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Exodus wallet, which of course I have done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Exodus is a multi-chain crypto wallet that supplies over 50 different blockchain networks. It allows users to store tokens from all the supported networks in one seamless wallet. So now that we know a bit of what Exodus Wallet is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to buy XRP on Exodus Wallet. So from your home page, I would like you to head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you have these icons in here. And of course, the icon that stands out is the swap icon right here, because that's like the middle icon. So go ahead and click on this middle icon, which is the swap icon. It's going to take you right into the swap window. So if you want to swap your coin for XRP, then you have to ensure that there is money in your wallet. You have to ensure that you have sufficient wallet or sufficient amount of money in that asset that you want to swap. Like say for example, want to swap BTC to XRP. All right, so ensure that you have enough amount of Bitcoin that you can use to get XRP. So in here you have Bitcoin. Let's say it's Bitcoin, but if it's not Bitcoin, you can click on this drop down menu and select the coin or the assets that you have money in. So once you select it from this extended search, as you can see, it's loading up. So here you have the extended search. So go ahead and select the coin that you have money in. So once you've selected, I'm going to go all the way back by clicking on this X icon in here. So it takes me back into this window. That after you've selected the asset that you have money in or the asset that you want to swap. So once you have that done, head over here to I want Ethereum and change this to XRP. So click on that drop down menu over there and select the asset that you want to get. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to have to select XRP. So here we are. Now in the search bar, I'm just going to have to type in XRP. So XRP is up. So I'm going to click on XRP. So just click on that. All right, so it seems like XRP is not supported for now because the I keep clicking on XRP, the more it keeps saying failed to add this token. It's saying failed to add this good token, but at the time you're doing this, you're carrying this out and it's added, then it's definitely going to be added. So let's say at the time you're carrying out this transaction and you clicked on XRP and it works, this is what it's going to show you. So I'm going all the way back to the previous window. So this window, after you've clicked on that XRP and it works, you're going to find XRP here. That's I want XRP. So once that has been done, go ahead and select the amount of BTC that you want to swap or that you want to let go of so that you can get your XRP. So once you type in the amount of BTC, this is actually going to begin to see the amount of XRP that you're going to get in here. All right, so once that comes out, you're going to see this buy BTC button, or not buy BTC actually. So there's no BTC in your wallet, so receive or swap it or buy. But then if you have enough, like I said, you need to have enough money in this wallet that you want to swap to. Once you do that and you have money, it's going to be reflected here how much XRP you're going to get. And you're going to see a button that a swap button that will take you to the next window where you're going to have to complete your transaction. Okay, so that's literally one way you can buy your XRP by using this swap option. So I'm gonna go all the way back to the previous window. So I'm going back to my home page by clicking on this Exodus. So you can even click on this buy button. So but right now I don't know if Exodus is not supporting XRP, but if you click on this buy button, then it should take you to a list of assets, and it's going to take you to the search bar as well. So if you click on the search bar and you type in, that's in here where I have I want Solana. So click on this drop down menu. It should take you to a list of options and the search bar where you can type in XRP, but XRP is not XR. XRP is not just working right now in Exodus, but if it is, just go ahead and use the search bar, type XRP, and from there follow through the process, add the amount of XRP you want to buy, and that's just going to be it. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.